Hi, I'm Raji, and this is a quick case study on how we helped a local scuba training business increase organic visibility and drive real phone inquiries in just 3 months. Running a local training business isn't just about offering great instruction. People still need to find you online. That was the challenge for By the Shore Scuba Instruction, a professional diving school based in Raleigh, North Carolina. They offered high quality scuba lessons and certifications, but their online visibility didn't reflect that. The website had broken links, weak keyword targeting, and no clear way to track leads like phone calls or form inquiries. So we stepped in with the focused local SEO strategy. First, we fixed the technical foundation, cleaning up broken links, improving page speed, and setting up proper tracking. Then we aligned each page with high-intent local keywords like Scuba Lessons Raleigh and Scuba Certification Raleigh, and optimized content to answer real customer questions. The results came fast. In just 3 months, organic users grew by 31%. Phone clicks increased by 360%, going from 50 to 230 calls. Form clicks jumped by 260%, and the business went from ranking first on Google for just 5 keywords to 61. Today, By the Shore Scuba Training gets found by the right people and, more importantly, gets more calls from customers ready to book. That's what happens when local SEO is done right. If you're a local business looking to turn search visibility into real inquiries, we're ready to help.